Floating silently on open water, the Maersk Hidalgo sits still, a giant of the sea in a moment of pause. Captured entirely by drone, this footage offers a rare look at a ULCV, ultra-large container vessel, fully loaded in holding position, waiting for its next maneuver, clearance, or docking window. At over 366 meters in length and 51 meters wide, the Maersk Hidalgo belongs to the E-class series of ultra-large container ships, built to move vast amounts of cargo across oceans with unmatched efficiency. With a capacity of over 13,000 TEU, it carries the goods that power the world economy. Containers filled with electronics, machinery, textiles, and everything in between. Operated by Maersk Line, the world's largest container shipping company, this vessel is engineered for global trade at scale. Built by Daewoo Shipbuilding in South Korea and launched in 2011, the Maersk Hidalgo is part of a new generation of sustainable and fuel-efficient giants that dominate international sea lanes. What makes this moment special isn't just the size, it's the stillness. While container ships are often filmed arriving or departing, this footage captures a ship in a rare calm pause. It may be awaiting pilot boarding, weather clearance, or traffic coordination in a busy sea lane. Her symmetry is unmistakable, containers stacked high in vivid colors, forming a perfect grid across the deck. The ship's bridge rises toward the stern, towering above the tiers of cargo. The bow cuts cleanly into gentle waves, even while at rest, a reminder of the ship's power, even in stillness. After the narration, enjoy several minutes of cinematic drone footage showing this modern maritime giant resting on open waters. Subscribe for more daily aerial maritime content from ports, ships, and industrial zones around the world.